So I would like to go to chapter 11 today. Okay, chapter 11 will be divided into two big sections. Okay, two big topics, but it is still about the properties of circles. Okay, so what we have learned in chapter 10 is still applicable to chapter 11. Okay, in fact, what we have learned in junior forms about those geometry reasonings will be applicable to chapter 10 and chapter 11. Okay, so we may prove some parallel lines or isosceles triangle or congruent triangles or similar triangles and so on. Okay, so let us go to page 11.4. So I will start with this theorem 1 directly. Okay, and so let me paste it here first. But before starting the first theorem, I need to introduce you another special term, okay, about the circles. Okay, so if I have a circle here, and if I draw a four-sided polygon like this, any four-sided polygon where the four vertex are on the same circle. Okay, like this. 即係話咧，一個四邊形，佢四隻角全部都係喺同一個 circle 上面嘅。OK， 咁呢一種咁嘅四邊形咧，就有個特別啲嘅名嘅。So if the four vertices are all lying on the same circle, okay, then this quadrilateral, this four-sided polygon has a special name. It's called a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, cyclic quadrilateral, or sometimes we will just call it cyclic quad. OK， 得唔得？中文名咧叫做圓內接四邊形，cyclic quadrilateral。OK， 咁我哋即係 chapter 11嘅第一個 section 咧，第一個大 section 咧，就係去到學下呢一啲 cyclic quad 嘅一啲嘅 properties 咁樣嘅。咁好簡單嘅啫，好容易記嘅呢兩個。OK， 得兩個 properties 嘅啫。OK， first one is that so it is a four-sided polygons, right? So there are four angles, right? And then we have two pairs of opposite angles. So we are considering the opposite angles. Angle A is opposite to angle C. And then angle B is opposite to angle D. Okay? And first property, the first reason is very simple, is that the sum of the opposite angles must be equal to 180 degrees. Okay? Each pair of opposite angle, when they are added together, it will always be equal to 180 degrees. Okay? So in this case, in my diagram, so my angle A plus angle C will be 180 degrees, and then my angle B plus the angle D is also equal to 180 degrees, right? Okay, because the sum of all four angles will be 360 degrees by the angle sum of polygon. Okay, and then 記住啦，嗱記住係四隻角都喺晒同一個圓形上邊，先至有呢一個 properties 嘅對角加埋180度。OK， 如果其中有一隻角係出咗去個 circle 外邊，或者入咗去個 circle 裏邊嘅話咧，我哋就做唔到呢一個效果噶啦，就唔會話對角加埋180度噶啦。OK， 得唔得？好，咁以後咧，我哋去到講呢樣嘢嘅時候咧 ，state this result. We just need to write down a reason. Okay, so that will be opposite. This will be like this. Opposite angles, comma, cyclic quad. Okay, opposite angles, comma, cyclic quad. 咁以後咧，我哋講兩隻對角啊，加埋係180度嘅話咧，我哋講呢個 reason 咧就得噶啦。OK， so this is like this. Okay, so let us read some examples here. Maybe let's do the instant drill together. 好快啫，呢個 instant drill 啊。咁今日嗰啲題目咧比較簡單啲，咁我冇擺到落去 Math App 嗰度啦。咁我相信大家都可以做到嘅呢一個。OK， instant drill corner 11.1. Okay, ABCD is number one. ABCD is a cyclic quad, so we have the sum of the opposite angles is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so angle BAD plus angle BCD is 180 degrees. So this is opposite angles. Sorry, angles. Wait. And then cyclic quad. 咁當然你可以唔使寫呢一句啦，你直接寫 A plus 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, but with the reason, and then just calculate the value of A will be okay. All right? And then number two, we have angle SRQ plus angle SPQ equals 180 degrees. For the same reason, opposite angles, comma, cyclic quad. Okay? And of course, you may just write down the numbers. Okay, C plus 128 degrees is 180 degrees. So C is equal to 52 degrees. Okay. 嗱，我想即係俾一個概念大家，幾時會寫埋啲關係會好啲咧？就係當幅圖複雜嘅時候，當幅圖開始複雜嘅時候咧，你寫咗個關係出嚟先。然之後將嗰啲關係跟住化做代表佢嘅數字咁樣樣，咁樣咧咁會好啲嘅。當然咧，頭先第一同埋第二題咧，幅圖係簡單嘅，係咪？咁所以其實就唔需要寫個關係，直接寫譬如 A 加60度等於180度。不過咧都要寫翻個 reason 喎 ，opposite angles cyclic quad 咁樣樣。OK， 咁就已經 OK 噶啦。And then number three, although we have the line AC, the diagonal AC.But ABCD is still a cyclic quad, okay? Therefore, the sum of the opposite angles, that is, the sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quad is still equal to 180 degrees, okay? So in this ABCD, we have angle BAD plus angle BCD.is equal to 180 degrees, and then opposite angles cyclic quad. And of course, the angles BAD will be 70 degrees, and then plus angle BCD is F plus 80 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, and then F plus 150 degrees is 180 degrees. Finally, F is equal to 30 degrees. 有冇同學有問題呢度？ OK， 好，呢啲簡單嘅嘢啦，係嘛？好啦，跟住我哋睇一啲書嘅，佢覺得冇咁簡單嘅 example， 但我覺得你哋都會覺得好簡單嘅。OK， example one。Example one。In the figure, ABC is 130 degrees, and then CDE is 120 degrees. Find X, Y, and Z. 好啦，嗱呢度咧，我哋睇清楚係用緊邊一個 cyclic quad。你記住喎 ，ABCDE is not a cyclic quad because it is not a quadrilateral. Okay, ABCDE is a pentagon， 係五邊形嚟嘅係嘛 ？ABCDE 成個係五邊形嚟嘅。OK， 所以我哋要揀一啲 points 去做一個 cyclic quad 先嘅。OK， so for example, ACDE in ACDE, all the 4 points are on the circle, on the same circle. So ACDE is a cyclic quad, and then the sum of the opposite angles will be 180 degrees. I mean, angle CDE plus angle CAE should be equal to 180 degrees. And we have opposite angles cyclic quad. Okay? And this is 120 degrees plus X equals 180 degrees. So X should be 60 degrees. Right? X 60 degrees. Okay, so that is how we can find the x, but we still need to find y and find z. Okay, to find y, we consider the cyclic chord ABCE. Can you see that ABCE is also a cyclic chord? Okay, the 4 points are on the same circle, ABCE. So the sum of the opposite angles is also equal to 180 degrees. And I'm going to choose angle ABC plus angle AEC is equal to 180 degrees. And this is opposite angles cyclic chord. Okay, and we have a comma here. And then angle ABC is 130 degrees plus y is equal to 180 degrees. So y is 50 degrees. Okay, that is the answer for y. And when we have found the values of x and y, we can find the value of z very easily because z plus x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. And this is angle sum of triangle. Okay, so z is equal to 70 degrees. That's the final answer. Let's do the instant drill number 1. 2 minutes. Classwork.
老Sir，我想問呢個11A 嘅第19條。
11A 嘅第19條。
係。我想問個 C 波 E 嘅 cyclic chord， 即係 exterior angle of cyclic chord 係咪 ADC？
係啦，冇錯 ，A dot C。
咁我呢度跟住我就唔知點樣揾翻隻角啦。
你
睇下條。
有冇睇到 A boy 係 diameter 嚟㗎？
有。
咁即係佢哋90度喎 ，AC boy 係90度喎，係嘛？
係，我見到啦，唔該老Sir。
OK， 好。Okay, let's check the answers. So in the figure, angle DAC is 40 degrees, ACD is 65 degrees. Find angle AC dot. Where is it? No, A dot C, I mean. A dot C is this one. This one is very easy. Angle sum of triangle. Okay, angle A dot C is 180 degrees minus 40 degrees minus 65 degrees. This is angle sum of triangle. Okay, so it should be equal to 75 degrees. So that is the first part, the answer of the first part. And then angle A boy C. A boy C is this one. Just notice that ABCD is a cyclic chord. Okay, then if we have found this 75 degrees, sorry, 75 degrees, then this 75 degrees and angle A boy C is a pair of opposite angles in this cyclic chord. So the sum of them must be equal to 180 degrees. So angle A boy C plus angle A dot C is equal to 180 degrees. And this is opposite angles cyclic chord. So we have ABC is what we want to find, and plus 75 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, which means that angle ABC is equal to 105 degrees. That is the second answer. Are you correct? Must be correct, right? Example 2. Oh, 睇到一個啦，嗱呢一個咧，我同個書嘅答案咧有少少唔同嘅，不過即係兩個，我覺得兩個都係一樣嘅啫，即係一樣咁快咁樣嘅啫，冇話邊好啲嘅。咁啊，即係我哋試下有陣時咧做呢啲題目嘅時候咧，我哋試下用啲唔同嘅方法去諗。咁啊，因為咧唔同嘅方法即係睇幅圖嘅時候係用唔同嘅角度嚟到睇，去到 interpret 幅圖。咁咧你個腦裏邊儲多少少呢啲咁嘅招數、呢啲招式嘅話咧，咁第時去到考試測驗咧，去到即係處理一啲複雜啲嘅圖案嘅時候咧，你個腦有多啲招式嘅話咧，就會係即係做到嘅機會容易大，會比較大啲嘅咁樣樣。OK， 咁我哋試下睇多少少唔同嘅 method 啦。OK， 咁我試下提供一個咧係同書嘅 solution 係唔同嘅方法啦。Okay, so AD is a diameter, and then BC is equal to CD. Angle BDA is 45 degrees. Find angle C dot boy. So C dot boy is this one, this little angle. Okay, and so we have a diameter AD, which means that we have a 90 degrees. So angle A boy dot should be equal to 90 degrees. Let us write this down first. Okay, angle A boy dot is equal to 90 degrees. And this is angle in semicircle. Okay? And when we have found angle A boy dot to be 90 degrees, in triangle A boy dot, we can find angle BAC. So angle BAC plus 90 degrees plus 45 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. This is angle sum of triangle. Okay, so angle BAC will be 180 degrees minus those two angles, that is 45 degrees. Okay, so this one is 45 degrees. 嗱呢度咧，當然書咧就會係佢就會係用咗呢一個嘅 cyclic chord 嘅，就揾到呢隻 angle boy C dot 係嘛，等於180度減45度啦。跟住然之後咧，用咗 base angles isosceles triangle 咧，就可以揾到呢隻 angle C dot boy 啦。OK， 但係我呢度咧，呢度俾多個角度大家去到睇呢幅圖。BC、CD 呢兩條等邊，當然佢哋係可以 form 到一個 isosceles triangle， 我哋就可以用到 base angles isosceles triangle， 就係書嘅方法啦。但係 BC 同埋 CD 咧，除咗係可以做呢樣嘢之外咧，佢亦都係可以將佢睇成係 equal chords 嘅，係嘛 ？equal chords。OK， if we have equal chords, then we can have equal angles。OK， 咁我哋咧就咁樣樣啦。I would join AC because BC is equal to BD. BC is equal to BD. Therefore, we can have angles BAC is equal to angle CAD. And this is equal chords, equal angles. Okay, but this time it is angle at circumference. And then they are both equal to 45 degrees divided by 2. Okay, because the sum of these two angles, these two equal angles, is equal to 45 degrees. Therefore, each of them will be equal to half of 45 degrees. That should be 22.5 degrees. Okay, so we can get, this one. This angle BAC and this angle CAD are both equal to 22.5 degrees, right? And then the next line will be the answer because the question asks us to find angle CDB. Angle CDB, can you see that? Angle CDB is looking at arc BC, right? Looking at arc BC. And there is another angle also looking at the same arc, angle BAC, where angle BAC is already found to be 22.5 degrees. So angle CDB should be equal to angle CAB. Okay, and this is angles in the same segments. Okay, So both of them are equal to 22.5 degrees, and that is the required angle. 得唔得？咁我呢度咧冇用到 cyclic quad 嘅，亦都冇用到 base angles isosceles triangle 嘅。咁反而咧我就用咗 equal chord equal angles 啦，同埋 angles in the same segments 咁樣樣。咁你當係一個 method 2咁樣樣啦。Is that okay? All right, so I give you 2 more minutes to do instant drill number 2. Okay, instant drill number 2. 2 minutes.
老 Sir， 我想問第20題。
exercise
11A 係。
哇，等陣嚇。係。呢個。你有冇揾到啲咩㗎？而家
我本身咧睇錯咗，以為 BCD 係 exterior angle 啦，之後計完之後先發覺原來佢唔係咯。
嗱，我哋而家有一個 cyclic chord 喎 AF 開係嘛 ？OK 今次咧，因為嗰兩隻即係 given 嘅 angle 都唔係喺呢一個 cyclic chord 即係直接係有關係嘅。咁我之前都講過一個諗法咧，就係話咧，即係如果佢嗰啲嘅角度啦，俾你嘅資料咧，同嗰啲 circle 啊 ，OK， 或者呢啲 cyclic chord 冇直接關係嘅話咧，我哋就好大機會咧要 let 個 x 出嚟嘅 ，OK。咁我而家咧，我就佢而家叫你揾 angle BAF 啦，我直接 let x 做 angle BAF 啦，咁樣樣。OK，我使唔使寫埋打埋出嚟啊？
唔使你講得啦。
我講咗啦 ，OK。let x 做 BAF 啦，跟住咧。由於 BAF
得啦，我知啦。
得，真係得。
可以啦，唔該。
Okay, let's check the answers for ID2. ABCD is a semicircle. Semicircle, which means that AD is a diameter. 嗱，呢度咧你哋有冇懷疑到呢樣嘢啊？雖然佢冇直接講 AD 係 diameter， 但係咧而家呢一個咧係一個半圓形嚟嘅話咧，即係話呢條直線 AD 咧就係嗰條直徑嚟㗎啦。OK， 呢度留意下，即係如果你冇懷疑到嘅話咧，你可以 mark 翻低 AD is a diameter。OK， so if the question says that ABCD is a semicircle, so it actually give you this information. AD is a diameter, okay, which means that there should be a 90 degrees. Okay, so it should be angle ACD, right? So angle ACD is equal to 90 degrees. and this is angle in semicircle. Okay, so let us write this down first and mark it on the diagram. This is 90 degrees. And we have two equal chords or equal side. And we have an angle 20 degrees, right? So this 20 degrees should be a base angle of the isosceles triangle, which means that this angle is also equal to 20 degrees. So let us write this down. Because BA is equal to BC, therefore angle BAC is equal to angle BCA. Okay, and this is base angles isosceles triangle. Okay, and they are both equal to 20 degrees. So now, 好，咁睇唔睇到啊？睇到點做啊？嗱，雖然咧佢係一個半圓形嘅喎，但係 A、B、C、D，can you see that? So if you just complete the circle, this is the original circle, right? Okay, and then A, B, C, D should be a cyclic quad. And then angle BAD and angle BCD should be a pair of opposite angles. So angle BAD plus angle BCD should be equal to 180 degrees. And this is opposite angles cyclic quad. Okay, angle BAD is 20 degrees plus theta. And then plus angle BCD should be 20 degrees plus 90 degrees. And then the sum of these four numbers will be 180 degrees. So theta can be calculated to be 50 degrees. That is the answer of the ID2. Is there any problems up to now? Okay. 好，嗱，聽日咧翻嚟嘅時候咧，咁我會俾多一堂時間你去完成琴日嗰份嘅，唔係聽日 ，sorry 係後日啊。後日會俾多一堂時間你去到完成琴日未完成嗰份嘅 quiz 嘅咁樣樣，好唔 OK？咁跟住我禮拜五先再繼續會教書咁樣樣。OK？ So is there any problems? If no, then that is the end of this lesson, and you may leave now. Goodbye.